Murimu wa cukari ni umwe wa mirimu ya kimerera iria ikoretwo ikigomera muingi. Murimu uria hau gabere wonekaga ukigomera andu akuru riu ukoretwo wongererekete nginyagia kuri ciana nyinyi na gucungiriria kugacirithio kwa njira cia kurigitana kuramata arwaru a murimu uyu. Gladys Chesire ni nathi thibitari-ini wa Nakuru Level 5 wadi-ini ya arwaru a murimu wa cukari.
Nimefanya hii clinic kwa zaidi ya miaka 10 trying to create awareness on diabetic education and treatment of kids type 1 children living with diabetes and both the type 2.
Chesire ni umwe wa manathi aria mehokeirwo ni thibitari wa Nakuru hari kwanjiriria wodi ya arwaru a murimu uyu, undu uria wacungiriirio ni kuongerereka kwa muingi uria wokaga thibitari-ini uyu kurigitwo murimu wa cukari.
2019 peke yake tuliona 10,000 patients. Averagely tunaona per month tunaona around 890 per month. Kuna watoto type 1 sasa tuko na 250.
Na riri thi ngima irakungwira muthi wa cukari na njira ya gukurana wira wa nathi hari utungata wa arwaru a murimu uyu. Chesire ni aratariria mamwe wa mawira maria nathi wadi-ini ya murimu wa cukari arutaga.
Huwa tunapima sukari, tunapima kilo, tunapima waist circumference, tunapima pressure. Tuko na topics tumeweka kama ni kuchunga kuvaa viatu vizuri kwa sababu ya wound care, tunaangalia wasishikwe na vidonda, kama ni dawa, regular how to take care of your drugs, storage. Tunawafundisha tena juu ya importance ya kukuja clinic.
Ni wira arauga akoretwo akiuruta na ngoro imwe, gikeno giake kiri ndugu yake na arwaru, o undu umwe na riria kuona murwaru agia na uhoti wa kuramata ikero cia cukari wake.
When I see my patients telling me thank you for this good service, and I say God thank you. Hata kama nimechoka, I feel so nice because somebody somewhere has recognized me. The relationship you have with the patients inakuja kama mnakuwa kama familia. Kama watoto wenye wako na ugonjwa wa kisukari, you see them growing kutoka walikuwa na shida, they keep on, wana reduce admissions, hakuna kulazwa kila saa kwa sababu sukari, kwa sababu mwafundisha.
Ni kumana na utungata wake kuri arwaru a cukari. Chesire acaguritwo ta umwe wa manathi 5 nguthi bururi-ini hari utungata kuri arwaru a murimu uyu, kuria agathiriirie wira wa manathi mathibitari-ini.
I'm humbled. And I think it's I just love working with diabetic patients. Nurses are the backbone of the hospital. Without the nurses, I don't think the hospital can run. We really feel nice when you work compassionately, humility, and those are some of the things. At the end of the day, you see a patient coming to tell you, thank you so much, I'm healed. That is all that we need.
Na kuona arwaru a murimu wa cukari ni amwe wa aria makoretwo mari ugwati-ini wa kuhotwo ni king'uki gia COVID-19. Chesire ari na ndumiriri ino kurio.
Your sugar should be below, it should be between 3.5 to 7.8. Avoid social gathering. Osha mikono, sanitize, take your drugs. Na usikose kumeza dawa yao. Si lazima ukuwe mgonjwa ndio uende upime sukari, pressure. At least ikuwe self responsibility ya kila mtu, unafanya medical check-up hata kama ni once a year.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma kaunti ya Nakuru, ritwa riakwa ni Wang'ombe wa Maina.